At some point, you're gonna look at your door and it's gonna look different. Maybe you notice the seal pulling up, allowing water or light to seep into your home, or even the dreaded rot around the trim or the base of your door. Whatever it is, you now might be looking into a door replacement, and the first question that comes to mind is, what does a door replacement cost? In this video, we're gonna outline the top factors that will influence the cost of your door replacement so you'll have a better understanding of what this project is gonna cost you. Hi, I'm Steve, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. There are three factors that can influence the cost of a door replacement. They are the installation, the quality of the door, and custom extras. Today we're going to talk about why each of these qualities is important when factoring in the cost of your door replacement and how to know if you're getting the most out of your project. Before we jump in, if you want more great content like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can be informed and ready for your next home renovation project. Now let's get on to number one, qualities of the door. The quality of the door directly impacts the cost. If you choose a low quality material, then the cost will be lower, where if you choose a higher quality material, obviously the cost will potentially be higher. Let's talk about some different door materials and their associated costs, as well as what qualities of the door you need to consider. There's pretty common metal doors out there that are made out of steel or aluminum. Metal doors are resistant to weather and they can protect your home from insect infestation. They're becoming more popular by giving your home a more modern look. Aluminum and steel doors can cost anywhere from $500 to $800 for a handyman to replace. For a high quality door and professional installation, you're looking to pay probably $2,000 to $5,000 for a good steel or aluminum door that's gonna last. Fiberglass doors are slightly more durable than vinyl and are versatile in style. They can mimic the look of a beautiful wood door without all the extra maintenance. Fiberglass doors cost around $1,000 to $1,500 for a handyman to replace, but for a high quality door and professional installation, you're looking to pay $2,000 and up, depending on all the features and extras that you want to add to that door. Wood doors are classic and sturdy and have been around before metal, vinyl, and fiberglass doors. The most popular types of wood for doors are pine, fir, cedar, mahogany, and oak. Like anything made of wood, wooden doors come with the highest need for maintenance and upkeep to keep them functional. They'll expand and contract. Wood doors can cost anywhere from $1,800 for a handyman to replace. For a high quality door and professional installation, you're looking to probably pay $4,000 and up for a really good wood door. Iron doors with large glass panels are another popular material on the rise for that modern look. For a home with a beautiful view, an iron door might be the aesthetic you're looking for. Full iron doors are going to start at $5,000 to $6,000 in cost for a professional installation, but can go much higher depending on the size and customizations of that door. Iron doors are not typically installed by neighborhood handyman. They're super heavy, hard to deal with. You got to make sure somebody knows what they're doing. Just like windows and siding, the material of your replacement door is going to be a large factor in the cost. Along with the material of the door, the quality of the construction of the door may be another element of the price. Secondly, installation of the door. The largest contributor to the cost of replacing your door is the installation and what all is included. While you might only think of a door replacement as replacing only the door slab, there are many components of the door that any good installer will replace as well. Here are the parts of and around a door that should be replaced for a quality installation. As I said, first you have the slab. That's what most people consider a door. It's the piece that swivels open and closed. But you also have the jamb. This is what connects the slab to the wall, and a lot of people would call that the frame of their door. The jamb is typically made of wood and consists of two verticals, a top or head, and a bottom jamb known as the threshold. There's also the hinges that hold that slab to the jamb. These are used to connect the slab to the jamb and allows the slab to open and close smoothly. And then, as I mentioned earlier, you have the threshold. That's the bottom component of the jamb used for protection from outside elements. It's typically made of wood, but can also be made from fiberglass or metal. You also have the sill. The sill goes along with the threshold and is fastened to the floor to add overall stability to the door jamb. Now, outside of all of that stuff, you have the trim too. The trim is what borders the interior and exterior of the door to give it a finished appearance. And then you still need to have a knob to turn and locks that you can close and secure your home. So you've got all of that other hardware, the locks, the handles, the knobs, any other trim that you want to put on it, that should be replaced with a new door as well. And then finally, to make it look beautiful, the final step is to add caulk and touch-up paint. You want to do that so that you have a proper seal between the trim to protect the interior of your home, and the paint offers extra protection to that trim as well. Now I know that's a lot to include in a full door replacement. However, each of these components should be included for a quality installation that is going to last you for years to come. You can pay only a few $100s to replace just the slab in your frame, but chances are if something is wrong around your door, it's one or more of the surrounding components that need replacing. So your best bet is to go with a full door and frame replacement. Like any home remodeling project, what is included in the installation is going to drive the cost and determine the quality of that installation. Number 3, design customizations. This is the fun part. When it comes to a home remodeling project, there are always custom options to choose from to make your project unique. For door replacements, the 2 main custom design options you have to choose from are the glass, the decorativeness of that glass, and the skin profile of the door. Let's talk about the glass design on the door. With any customization, the more complex it is, the more it's going to cost. For any decorative glasswork on the door, it can add to the overall cost depending on how detailed the design is. And usually the more glass there is, the more expensive the door is. A standard rectangular shaped glass window will be less expensive than a floral design. Along with the glass design, the type of glass will affect the cost as well. There's various textures and films you can choose for the glass in your door. And to learn more about those glass types, make sure you check out the video linked above. The second customization option is the skin of the door. The skin of a door refers to the outer finish that can be applied to give the door a certain texture. Just like with the glass design, there are a variety of different smooth and textured skin finishes to choose from depending on the look you're wanting. If you know you're wanting a complex glass design or different skin options, it's important to make sure that you find a contractor that is more specialized and has experience with those designs. Even if a contractor says they can do what you want them to do, if they don't have the proper credibility or experience, you may end up being disappointed with the final project and not get that beautiful front door that you want in your home. So how to make sure you get what you pay for with your door replacement? Any home improvement project is an investment. That's just the reality. But here are 3 things to make sure you do before committing to a door replacement to make sure you know what you're getting into. Number 1, have realistic expectations. The least expensive door is not going to be of the highest quality. If you're wanting a door that is going to meet your needs and last, you're going to have to spend a little bit more money in that investment. Number 2, have an idea of what style you want and what you're looking to get out of the project. Do some research on Pinterest and drive around your neighborhood to see what you like and what you don't like. This will help you find the right contractor that can give you the door of your dreams for your home. Third, make sure to read the fine print. Before signing any contract, it's important to know all the details. Asking plenty of questions about how the contractor operates from the beginning to the end of the project is essential for you to know what to expect in the experience. The last thing you want is to be blindsided by any hidden fees or a faulty installation. Remember that this is your project and your money that is going into your home. You gotta be realistic in your expectations and know what you're getting into, but you need to be informed as well. So now you might be wondering if you need a front door replacement, right? To know for sure, check out the article linked below titled, "When is it time to replace my door?" It goes over the 3 common signs that your door might be telling you it's time to be replaced. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want to give you the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.